Stop scrolling kung naghahanap ka ng affordable 4-bedroom house sa Cavite na may carport at balcony pa at na maganda dito, owner na ang sasagot sa capital gains tax at transfer of title, meaning mas mababa ang gastos mo as buyer. Let me show you this Adele modified inner unit located at Barangay Pasong Kamachiliwan, General Trias, Cavite. Perfect ito para sa families na gusto ng spacious home pero budget friendly. Here are the property features. Lot area 72 square meter, floor area 91.20 square meter. Inside the house, you'll get 4 bedrooms, may space para sa buong pamilya, 2 toilet and bath, with carport, secure parking for your car, with balcony, perfect for relaxing mornings, with fence, dagdag security at privacy. Plus, you have complete areas for living area, dining area, kitchen area. Talagang ready for comfortable family living. Gross price, 5.2 million. And take note, all-in na ito. Here's a sample computation if bank financing. Total price, 5.2 million. 20% down payment, 1,040,000. 80% bank loan, 4,160,000. Estimated monthly payment, 20 years bank loan, around 32,000 to 35,000 per month depending on bank interest rate. Sa presyo na 5.2 million, bihira ka makakita ng 4-bedroom house with carport, balcony at modified na layout. Plus, malaking advantage pa na capital gains tax, transfer of title, seller na ang magbabayad. At ang maganda pa dito, move-in ready after signing of LOG. So if you're looking for a practical family home in General Trias, this might be the one. Message us now to schedule your free house tour. Baka ito na ang dream home ng pamilya mo.